Sometimes I'm this, sometimes I'm that. My shoes have walking toes. I jiggle up and down. I make the children laugh and shout. It's fun to be.
I'm very happy to be able to give you this diploma today, which says that you had a wonderful year here at St. Anastasia's School. So when I read your name, you would like me to declare? Okay, when I read your name, you come to me, I'll give you your diploma, and then you bring it to your mommies or your daddies. Okay? Joseph Antonelli. Roxanne Calandra. Thomas Casey. Lisa Central. Mark Del Pozo. George Grasso. Grace Jones. Violet Country.
Twist it off. Oh, you did it. Just give it a lick. Now let's dunk it, just like a professional basketball player. Now you just learn to tie your shoelaces and you'll be all set.
Oreo, unlock the magic.
Nicholas Mock. Very good listeners. Really. This way, Nick.
Not going this way, Nick.
Paulette Policino. Kevin Christopher.
Oh, thank you. Give me a kiss. Congratulations.
Nicole Randazzo. Jonathan Shanta. Catherine Slassa. Andrew Sagman. Ryan Sullivan. And Michael Milano. I'd just like to take a moment to thank in a very special way Mrs. Jennings for the wonderful year that she has provided for the children, and also to thank Mrs. Macaluso for her assistance in our program. The two of them together made a wonderful early childhood program. I'd also like to thank you. Oh, would you like to give me a gift?
Yes, the parents would also like to thank you for what we've done for the kids.
I'd also like to thank all of you for allowing us to share in the lives of your children this year. I do think they had a wonderful year. I think they've learned a lot, have grown, and I wish you all the best. If you're returning to us, to our kindergarten program, that's wonderful. If you're not, good luck to you wherever you're going, and God bless you all. I will always think of you and remember you with very happy memories. So thank you for being here today and for everything that you've done for the school. So
Thank you.
We're all invited to stay for snack. I'm going to call the boys and girls one at a time, and they'll sit down at the table, and then there'll be more room on the rug for everybody else. Roxanne, Leela, and Thomas, will you take a seat at the table for snack, and please wait for everybody to sit down. Brian, George, and Fallon, would you take a seat at the table, please? around the back.
This way, Paulette.
Join us.
Come on, this way, go ahead. Go around. Yeah, I'm knocking their view.
I got the camera, Mike.
Around the back and get Andrew is. Andrew is. See if I can get you. All right, now I'm going to right here, right next to him. All right, now keep moving. All stay together. Thank you. So sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the words that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Now give me 2 seconds and I'll get the juice. All right? Hang on. Excuse me, now.
Go ahead, son.
You want juicy juice or apple juice? You want the one here? And then you want
What? I want to pop that in you.
get up.
You want some potato chips?
You're finished.
Want chips? Okay, you gotta ask the tea. Okay. I'll get you some.
Plenty of food back here.
Got that in there?
Okay?
Give me a congratulations, let me know.
Congratulations, everybody. You made it.
Congratulations, Papa. Very nice. Mwah. Love you. Yeah, no, go give no kiss. Go give no kiss. Vittorio, bacia da Vittorio.
You want Michael sit?
No. Give a nonno.
Sì, ma non so, quando vai giù.
Sì, papà, me ne sai che la vuoi tu, però. Thank you. Peanut or papa? Con papà con imbottito. And wait.
Why?
I'm not hungry.
Not hungry, I want pick. E Vittorio, cosa ti piace tu stamani?
Questo è lot. Yeah.
Soffri, piccolino, dove guarda soffri?
Hi, how are you? Non c'è da la mano, Mr. Jennings, è stato buono.
Your brother,
goodbye to Mrs. Jennings and Mrs. Macaluso. Right? Okay, come on. Come on, say goodbye to Mrs. Jennings.
Have a good time. Yeah, you guys have a great
Bye, Mrs. Jennings.
I really like it.
Another great year. You did a fabulous job with Joseph, and I think you did a fabulous job with Paulette.
She's a good girl. Don't leave without that coloring book, all right?
Okay, Paulette?
Want some more chips?
Want to take a Mrs. Macaluso? Okay, come on. Go get your coloring book. We got to go. Come on. Let's do well. Come on. Go get your coloring book, Paulette. Come on. Come on, bye. Hindi po, mutin. Go ahead, Paulette. Go. Bye-bye, Mr. Jennings. Bye-bye. Have a good summer.
Guardando il culo, scrivevo, c'è un bel magnano. Pure Paoletta, fai il primo graduino.
I said, oh, no, Mary. I said, please, it's not necessary. She said, well, I would like, I said, please don't demonstrate. It's not necessary. With that, the officer came up and said, please don't.
what?
It keeps working better than hydrocortisone.
We're having the time of our lives here at Walt Disney World.
And we planned it all.
Enormous Disney parks, including the Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and the Disney MGM Studios. 2 water parks, 7 beaches, 8 nightclubs, 13 Disney Resort hotels with rooms as low as $69 per night, 99 holes of golf, and a whole new world of fantastic Disney adventures. Walt Disney World is the largest resort on Earth, and your free vacation planning video tells you all about it.
I do. It's because you take longer showers than me. You primp more than me, and you wear more aftershave than I do perfume. So, hello?
Come on, Shayin. Wallah, não é mesmo? Paulette? Who's taking you to school, Papa? Hey, Pizzolo. Hey, Pizzolo, what do you do? Yeah. Oh. Babe. Paulette. Today's your first day of school, Papa. Huh? What's the matter? Huh? You miss Joseph? Okay, Joseph is in school also, Papa, okay? And this is your school, Papa. Okay, let's go. Go ahead. Go ahead, Bye-bye. That way you gotta go. Go ahead, Paula, go with mommy.
Come on, Paula. Grabbing on that person.
Come on, Pauline.
And so she finally decided.
Let her go, Belle. Go ahead. Good morning. What class? I'm not sure which teacher she had. Polisano.
What's her first name?
Paulette.
Paulette? She's
Good morning.
probably Mrs. Jennings. Mrs.
In
Jennings.
there? Okay, thank you. Good morning. How are you?
Paulette, we need you here.
Say hi, this is Mrs. Jennings.
I remember you when you were a lot littler. You were a lot littler the last time I saw you. How'd you get so big? You been eating all your food? Come on. Come on in. My goodness, okay, we'll take your clothes. Yeah. And what would you like to play with today? Let's come in and see what you play with. Would you like to do a picture? Okay, Roxanne is looking for some company over here. Roxanne's making rainbows. You want some people? Those are your bins. People, furniture. Well, then put the plate on when you're finished. Well, it doesn't dry out,
Okay, come on. Bye-bye. Oh,
It's okay.
come on. Seduta.
Okay, let's go. Let's go back, because it...
Yeah, that's for sure.
But you look, in a couple of years you're gonna be here too.
Welcome.
Did you get to play in the house? Oh. How was school today? What? Fine.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Mommy, where are you going now? Tomorrow.
You have a school bag? Oh.
How was school,
And paper. How was your first day? Okay.
Good? Oh, good.
How's she doing?
She told me Joseph has a big school bag.
Yeah? Because he's a bigger boy, okay? All right, so we'll see you. So she'll bring that in every day? The school bag?
She wants to. No problem.
Okay, say bye, Miss Jenny. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, hon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Kate.